Welcome to Talking Trash, and today we're at the Becker County Transfer Station and Demolition Landfill with Matt Dretsch.
Hi.
Hi. Matt, where are we?
We are about 100 yards south of our transfer station, and this is the site of our new transfer station going in. They have the dirt work pretty much done that we're standing on now, and just here to tell the people how far we are. Dirt's here. We got a primary road coming in, a new road. To the left of us, swings around behind us. I don't know if you can see that. And it goes back to where our old metal pile used to be. That's where we're going to be parking our semi-trailers now, back there. And this is pretty much it. The transfer station is going to be large enough to have our track hoe in it to separate those items we talked about before, the burnables from the non-burnables. It's all going to be in a contained area with a roof over it to keep the rain out, which causes leachate into the garbage and runoff. We don't want any of that. And this is it. Behind us is where the semi-trailers are going to go.
Okay. So this is kind of the pre part of the transfer station. Now it looks, if you look through the camera, it looks like it's kind of just all level. But I just want to say, if Matt were to push me over the edge here, how far would it be?
I'm guessing it's about 18 feet down. Right behind us, maybe 4 or 5 steps. That's where the trailers that need to be loaded are going to be driving in at. And the top of that trailer is going to be just about level with the cement floor of the new transfer station. There'll be a little berm there for safety, so we don't drive any equipment or anything into that. But it's better when you load those trucks that you can see down into them, what you're putting into them, how much is into it, and to be careful not to push anything through a semi-trailer. So visibility is the optimum thing here. And like you see in one of our previous episodes when we were loading with the track hoe, it was up on a hill, so he could see kind of down into about halfway of that trailer.
So what's nice here too is that in the engineering process, we've made it so that you're using nature, basically using gravity to load the trailer. You're dumping from above, which you can see, and then gravity is helping you load the trailer.
That's exactly right. We'll see, and if for some reason something isn't caught on the separation floor, which we're standing on now, we can actually go down there and grab it back out of that trailer and pick it up. Because we want to separate for recycling, like we're always talking about, keeping the items here in our demolition, and taking the metal out. We'll have separate piles we can have with that track hoe. It's a real versatile machine, and then get those to the correct areas of where they need to go.
Okay, so here it just looks like a big slab of gravel, basically, but it's going to be a large building. How big is it going to be? Ballpark. 100 by 100 or so. It'll be large. And I want to just say one other thing, that the fill and what we're standing on here came all out of the landfill, out of our own gravel pit. We took the fill from another location in the crushed concrete we did an episode on. Yep. That's what we're standing on now. That was all brought in from our own landfill, so we didn't have to go to another outside source to bring that in. It was already here. So we're trying to get the biggest bang for the buck. Yay.
Right.
Saving tax dollars where we can.
Right. Exactly.
And then so the transfer station will go up first. And then we will be building hopefully building a material recovery facility. And about in what general vicinity do we think that's going to go?
That may be farther behind us where we're at now, back into that wood line opening. You see that we have a road already started through that wood line back there? That should be back there.
So we've got some new things coming up here. We invite people, if you've got some trash to get rid of, or some recycling to get rid of, or some different items like concrete or demolition or that kind of thing, bring them on out to the Becker County Transfer Station. And that's 24413 County Road 144. And we hope to see you out here. 847-6382 if you have a question. Have a great day.